Bingo Cache not opening on Android 15 is usually something you can troubleshoot without deleting your account, and the safest first step is to force stop the app and reopen it. By the end, you'll know which Android 15 settings to check, how to clear temporary Bingo Cache data safely, and what to do if the app still refuses to open. Start with a force stop. Open Settings and tap A, find Bingo Cache, then select Force Stop in. Open Bingo Cache again, and check whether it reaches the main screen. If it still closes immediately or stays frozen, restart your Android phone. A device restart clears temporary system processes that can interfere with an app during startup. Next, check for a Bingo Cache update in Google Play Store and search for Bingo Cache, open its store page, and install an update if one is available. Also check for an Android system update under Web Settings Show, Software Update. If Android 15 has a pending update for your device, install it before testing Bingo Cache again. The next step is clearing the app's temporary cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Bingo, Cache Storage and Cache. Then select Clear Caching. Clear cache first, rather than choosing Clear Storage. Clearing cache removes temporary files, while clearing storage can remove locally stored app data and may require you to sign in again. After clearing the cache, reopen Bingo Cache. If the app starts normally, the problem was likely connected to temporary stored data. Your internet connection is another check. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try opening Bingo Cache again. A connection problem can prevent an app from completing its startup process. If Bingo Cache opens but immediately asks you to sign in, use the existing account login rather than creating a new account. Bingo Cache uses the phone number registered to your account and an SMS verification code for existing user access. Don't uninstall Bingo Cache before confirming that you can access the original account. If you do need to reinstall the app, make sure you know the phone number and account information connected to your Bingo Cache profile. If the app still won't open after force stopping it, restarting Android 15, clearing the cache, updating Bingo Cache, and testing your connection, take a screenshot or screen recording showing exactly what happens. Then, contact Bingo Cache support with your Android device model, Android 15 version, Bingo Cache app version, and the exact behavior you're seeing. The safest troubleshooting order is force stop, restart the phone, update Bingo Cache, clear the cache, check your connection, and only then consider reinstalling. Your next step is Settings, Apps, Bingo Cache, force stop, then reopen the app. If this fixed Bingo Cache on Android 15, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.